Namaste and good morning, class 7. We have drop irrigation. We have drop irrigation today, and I have described much more about this lesson in the previous video, and now I have written this importance of drop irrigation system. It is suitable for almost all types of soil and all types of plants. Plant can get water easily. Water will go to the root zone of the plant. Excess water, excess fertilizer will not be lost in this system. So this drop irrigation system is very much useful, and I had also told you that to draw the figure of drop irrigation system, draw the figure of pipe. It is done by using pipe, and in one pipe, this pipe should be very long. This pipe should cover every area of our land. We can bend this pipe like curve different. Many times we have to bend this pipe, and we have to put this pipe in every area of our land, and there should be hole inside the pipe in many places. By this hole, water will come like a sprinkle, or we can connect other pipe also in many places, like branch, one main pipe and other branch pipe, and on this branch we can connect a sprinkler. One type of device. A sprinkler is one type of device. From that device, water will go in different way, and in this device there should be many holes, many tiny holes. By these holes, water will come like raindrop. Water will come like raindrop. That is a sprinkler. So we can connect this as sprinkler. Then water will go in every area of our land, uniformly, equally, in every area of land. So I have written importance now. Water can be saved from drop irrigation system. By this system we can save water. Excess water will not be lost. The farming land can be irrigated uniformly. We can put water in our farming land uniformly, equally in every place, every area. Water can be sent gradually to the root zone of the plant. Where is root zone of the plant? Up to that area we can send water. For example, this is plant and there is root. This is root of the plant, and this is plant. There is root. If we by this drop irrigation system, if we irrigate our field by drop irrigation system, water will come like this way, and slowly this water will go to the root zone of the plant. Water will go to the root zone of the plant. Water. Water will go to the root zone of the plant, and root of the plant. So this system is very important, very much good, and it is suitable for majority type of soil. It can be applied easily in the farms situated at higher altitude. up to higher altitude, highland, up to highland also we can send this water by using our pipe and sprinkler in the pipe. The highland, some are highland, some are lowland. So if we are doing farming in highland, we can do easily. We can irrigate this land also by using drop irrigation system. Here you can write a sprinkler. A sprinkler. And last point is that it protects loss of fertilizer and nutrients in the farming land. If we put much water, excess water, if we don't use this drop irrigation system, if we irrigate our field thoroughly from one side to another side, then there will be more water, and we have to drain some water from out from our field also. We have to send some water out of from our field, and with this water fertilizer will also go. Fertilizer will mix, dissolve in water, and with the water fertilizer will also go outside from our field. But in drip irrigation system, only enough water will be there in the field which is useful. This water will only be in the field, and our soil will absorb the water. There will not be excess amount of water in the field. So it is not necessary to drain out some water from the field, and fertilizer will also not go out of the field. So these are the important points about drop irrigation system. You have to learn this. What is drop irrigation system? And now we have to move. I'll move towards exercise. Introduce drop irrigation system with examples. Question is there. First question: introduce drop irrigation system with examples. I have written what is drop irrigation system yesterday in my previous video. You write this. Example is not necessary. No example is there. How can we use drop irrigation system? We use advantage. C number is this. This is C number and B number. Now I will write. Use what? How can we use drop irrigation system? And advantage. What are the main advantages of drop irrigation system? Last question. This answer is for last question. So you can write this answer in C number and B number. I will write now. So don't worry. I will clean this. You write this in a copy. Exercise. Question number C. Sorry, B. 1B. How can we use drop irrigation system? irrigation system is utilized in almost all types of soil and in higher altitude too. It is done by using pipes various pipes and a sprinkler the source of water can be sent through pipe. The pipe should be put in every area of the field. Drop irrigation system is utilized in almost all types of soil and in higher altitude too. It is done by using various pipes and a sprinkler. The source of water can be sent through pipe. The pipe should be put in every area of the land. After that, there is choose the best answer. 3 sentences are there and some words are also given there. You have to choose one good appropriate word from these boxes. In the boxes there are some words given in 2 number. This is 2 number. You have to do yourself. You do yourself from your book. There are 3 sentences and some guide words are also there which are appropriate for which place. You select it carefully and select one word. In this way this exercise will finish and I will start other lesson in my next video. So for today I want to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Do work as instructed in my video. Thank you.